The Dyson V15 Detect Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a true marvel of engineering, represents the pinnacle of cleaning technology. It is not merely a vacuum. Rather, it is a sophisticated instrument designed to conquer dust and debris with unparalleled precision. This Dyson V15 cordless vacuum cleaner harnesses a powerful Hyperdymium motor, a heart that beats with an astonishing 125,000 revolutions per minute, generating a suction force that feels like a miniature tornado, and it effortlessly pulls in microscopic particles. Furthermore, the innovative laser dust detection system is a metaphorical flashlight for the invisible, illuminating hidden dust on hard floors so that no particle can escape its fate. Consequently, you can see what you are cleaning, and you can truly achieve a spotless finish. In addition, its piezo sensor intelligently counts and sizes the dust particles it collects, and then it automatically increases suction power where it is needed most. This intuitive feature ensures that every cleaning session is not only thorough but also highly efficient. Ultimately, this machine is a testament to Dyson's unwavering commitment to innovation, blending raw power with intelligent design to transform the very act of cleaning. Moreover, the versatility of the Dyson V15 cordless vacuum cleaner makes it a true all-rounder for any home. It comes equipped with a suite of attachments, each a specialized tool for a specific task. The hair screw tool, for instance, is a small but mighty beast, a metaphorical hair magnet that spirals long hair and pet fur into the bin without tangling. Likewise, the crevice tool is like a long finger that can reach into the tightest corners and along the edges of baseboards, pulling out trapped debris. The machine's whole machine filtration system is a fortress against allergens, capturing 99.99% of microscopic particles as small as 0.3 microns, thus expelling cleaner air than the rooms. It is a breath of fresh air, literally, and it is a godsend for allergy sufferers. Nevertheless, its lightweight design allows for easy maneuverability, and you can transition from floor to ceiling with seamless grace. Therefore, this Dyson V15 cordless vacuum cleaner is more than a cleaning device. It is a holistic solution for maintaining a pristine and healthy living environment. Finally, the user-friendly nature of the Dyson V15 Detect makes it a joy to operate, completely transforming a chore into an effortless activity. Its LCD screen provides real-time information, showing you exactly what the machine is detecting and how much power is being used, so you are always in control. Subsequently, the one-click emptying mechanism is a clean sweep for debris, a simple action that ejects dust and dirt hygienically into the trash. The removable battery offers up to 60 minutes of fade-free power, a marathon runner that will keep going until the job is done. Plus, you can easily swap it out for a spare to extend your cleaning time even further. The V15 Detect's wall-mounted docking station ensures that it is always charged and ready to go, a loyal sentinel waiting for its next mission. In summary, the Dyson V15 cordless vacuum cleaner is a masterful blend of form and function, a futuristic tool that makes the invisible visible and the impossible possible, redefining the standards of home cleanliness and setting a new benchmark for what a vacuum cleaner can truly be. Pros: rated the best in many categories, excels at picking up pet hair, enjoyable to use, cordless. Experience: grabs plenty of dirt, anti-tangle head, light up head is a game changer, minimal and well designed, easy to swap attachments, powerful suction, better at picking up dirt, great on carpets, filter lasts longer, much quieter than previous models, rolls quietly on tile, tells you when it needs cleaning, tells you about clogs, lightweight, green light reveals all. The hair, satisfying to use, easy to use daily, can do a whole house on one charge. Cons: Tends to bog down and stop, lacks automatic drive features. Shows what it's cleaning, powerful suction motor, long-lasting battery, LCD screen display. HEPA whole machine filtration, hair screw tool for pet hair, 2 cleaner heads included. Converts to a handheld the Dyson V15 Detect Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. In yellow, nickel. Offers powerful suction and a long-lasting battery. Its innovative features include an LCD screen that shows what it's cleaning and whole machine HEPA filtration. It also comes with a hair screw tool for pet hair, 2 cleaner heads, and can easily convert into a handheld vacuum. The Dyson V15 Detect Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, in yellow, nickel, is highly rated across many categories, excelling at pet hair pickup and providing a generally enjoyable, satisfying, and easy user experience. Its cordless design, powerful suction, and anti-tangle head are key features, while the innovative green light-up head is a game-changer, revealing dirt and hair that would otherwise be missed. The vacuum is also noted for being lightweight, quiet, and well-designed with easy-to-swap attachments, and its filter lasts longer than previous models. While it can clean an entire house on a single charge, some users report it can occasionally bog down and stop, and it lacks an automatic drive feature.